You are going to love the 2015 Impala. The Impala has been one of America's favorites for over 50 years. Enough said. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power driver's seat, backup camera, backup sensor, steering wheel audio controls, power sunroof, keyless entry, air conditioning, cruise control, climate control, center armrest. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.